You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation in English. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations of confusing words in English, more correct pronunciations and vocabulary, stay tuned. Examine. Let's break down the pronunciation. Examen. The stress goes on the second syllable, the za syllable. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here as examine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.